What's up, fellas? I just wanted to show this here. Came across a unit yesterday that had all the Freon gone, basically gone when I got to it. And here you can see from the section my accumulator. This accumulator is leaking. First one I came across, I just wanted to share with the fellas. And what I did to find this, I had charged up the system about 150 pounds with nitrogen to check for it. Spray my little leak seek around it. But just an interesting video. I'm gonna see what my manager wants me to do, either replace this section line accumulator or replace this condensing unit itself, because it's about 17, 18 years old. Alright, folks, have a great one now.